What stakes do you typically trade with now?
I would say I would trade, let's say, spread betting. I would say between 50 to £1,000 a point.
Have you ever felt so certain of a trade's pending decision that you've just gone all in?
I always do that. I only go in if I'm absolutely certain. I have no fear. I am certain. I just go in all the way with everything I have. I go in. Yes.
If you've never felt that certain, do you just not do it?
No. And I recommend that to everyone else. I recommend once you are experienced enough, if you're coming from a place of fear on putting a trade, then don't do it. If you're coming from a place of strength, you feel it's a place of strength, then do it. If there's fear here, don't do it. Don't touch it. Wait. Waiting is the hardest thing for a trader. For most of these guys who want to make it really big and get rich or whatever, and there are older people who are now, there are people who can cash in their pensions and probably think they're going to play with the stock market. So we have a huge new groups of people who want to join this, who study it more and are more methodical, have a more life experience. But the hardest thing to do is not trade.
So I can't imagine it happens very often, but perhaps there's a day where things haven't gone as well as you hoped. How do you unwind?
How do I unwind? The way I unwind is immediately I think I need to go to the gym. So if something is stressing me or I need to think about, I go to the gym. I have a very good gym. It's got pool, tennis, golf, indoor, outside swimming pool, squash courts, everything else. So I go and I start playing squash and I start hitting the ball. And with every hit, I'm also thinking and distressing myself. Then I do swimming and spend my day distressing myself, and I come back. And it is incredible. As much as you want, you can't get depressed if you've done exercise.
A lot of traders talk about the benefits of sports in terms of trading. Is that something that you would advise?
I would definitely advise. You need to have a healthy mind and body to be able to function properly. A lot of guys probably who day trade, they just get up from the bed and I sit at the computer with their underwear and start, I'm sure that's what happens. But you should discipline yourself to do exercise and maybe join a gym. It's worth investing, even if some of them are expensive. But physical exercise is as important, to your functioning.